So, good afternoon, Ma'am MJ. So, this is the activity I submit. So, this is the React registration form. So, first in here, so this is the import. So, there's 4 imports that I imports the app.js, which is the navbar, and also the registration form, and also the footer and the app CSS. So this is the app CSS and navbar and registration form and the application. So first, this is the function, the app, and also these are the components. So first is the navbar. So navbar here is the first here is the navbar. So this is the responsible for the displaying the title of the application, which is the my registration app. So that is the title of my application and my registration app. Then the registration form, which is the component, is the main application. So registration form is my main application, which is so inside this component I use, so inside the component registration form I'm using a use state, which is to store the user's input. So what user's input can do, so user's input can input a full name, email, and the password. So in the input fields inside, whenever the users types in the input field, the handle change will function updates the corresponding value in the state. So the operators copies the previous values while updating the only field. So that's it. Then so here's the output of the application, which is the my registration app. So first is the full name, and just input the full name and also the username, and input the user's password. Then after that, so it will alert the registration successful. That's it, ma'am. Thank you. God bless.